Hello, and welcome to Excellence Punta Cana. Okay, so this is the, I think it's the junior suite with a walk-up pool and ocean view. We had the upgraded, what is it called? Excellence
President's Club,
or whatever the upgrade is. And the upgrade includes Bavari. I know I'm saying this right, but this right here, I'm saying it wrong. So it comes with this. And I guess if you don't upgrade, it just comes with the regular, toiletries, not bad. I personally think it's probably the same stuff, and it just, we get the logo and you don't get the logo if you don't upgrade. Okay, so the rooms are small. I mean, the closet is small. This is where you would, when you get room service, you put your dirty dishes go here. Oh, that's a little. Y'all, here's the closet. This is the problem. Closets is teeny tiny, but so they have two resorts and they're next door to each other. This is the older resort. This one is going to give you the Punta Cana traditional tropical vibe. And then the other one is called El Carmen, and that one's supposed to be more updated. They say it's like the Miami type. So I want it to be where it was kind of more traditional, more tropical, I should say. For my first time. Does this look dirty? Like, what's going on with this mirror?
Yeah, that mirror looks a little dusty.
Oh, you know what it is? It's like the humidity.
Yeah, the humidity.
It's the humidity.
Because the window, the door's open.
That's doing it. Okay, then it's just got the tub right there. There you go. Y'all know I'm taking all this, but however you say it, that's going with me. It's going in the, every day. I'm gonna have about 25 of them when we leave. Those make, okay, so I didn't even show you the room because I'm running my mouth. Okay, so let's go back. This is the room. Pan and yeah. If I look fat, we doing this over again, just FYI. So we have our own private pool. If you call this a pool, you can't swim no laps or nothing like that. But it's a body of water enclosed in concrete. And you can like walk around. So I think why I feel like I'm about to fall. So this is nice. I want to show them. So we got the ocean view. And then did we show you the champagne on deck? And did I also say that's what I didn't say. The room comes with unlimited, like the bar is with the room, so we can drink all that today and ask for more. We can just get as lit as we want. Okay, bye.